Baidu keyboard tutorial. So here are the best tips for using Baidu keyboard on your iPhone. What you need to do is first you need to open up your Pinterest. After opening Pinterest, you need to go with search. And from search, you need to search for Baidu keyboard. And then you can go and select any keyboard that you're comfortable with, and then go with the three dots, which will be right here, and go with download image or template. And again, you need to go with your search and then search for Baidu keyboard link. And you need to go and select any template that you're comfortable with. Let's say, for example, we're going to use this one. Go with visit site, which will be on the bottom, and you will be redirected to the Google Drive section. Then you need to click on the template, and you want to just simply go with the download section. You'll be redirected to the downloads, Google Drive download section. Go with downloads, which will be in the top right. You'll have the download arrow, and you need to download it. And once the template has been saved to your iOS, now you'll be able to use it on your iOS. So you need to just simply go with your dashboard and then click on your settings. From the settings, you need to search for keyboard. You'll have the keyboard right here. Click on the keyboards. Now you can just simply go ahead and click on add new keyboard, which is right here, and then edit the language and then insert the picture that you've saved. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.